In today's video, I'm going to show you how to zip your folder if you want to send a folder via an attachment using an email or if you want to upload a folder. So here I have a folder. The name is grade 11 exercise, right? And the size of the file is 5.52 megabytes, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my mouse to hover over the folder. The name is grade 11 exercise. I'm going to right click. I'm using my right button on my mouse, and I'm going to come down and I'm going to select compress to, and I'm going to come across and I'm going to click zip file, and I click on it, and here now this is a zip folder, so I can call this my zip folder, and I can give it a name, CAD with Mr. Hugh. Enter. And this is how you would zip a folder so that you can send the folder as an attachment to an email or upload the folder where it is required to be zipped. And also, if you look at the file size, you can see that it is now 5.09 megabytes, and the original file size was 5.52 megabytes. So here, this folder, which is named the zip folder, CAD Mr. U, is a zip folder that is required. Now, it was brought to my attention that some persons are not seeing this option as it is appearing on my screen, right? So I'm going to show you another way. So here, if you right click and you're not seeing the option which I used a while ago, what you would do, you come down to send to, and you come across, and then you can choose this compress folder from here, or you would see something like RAR, compress or zipped. So that is how you would use the other option if you have that application installed on your computer and you're not seeing this compress zip folder. You would go to the dot um, RAR option that allows you to make a zip folder.